Hello everyone, I am Akshata. Welcome to our channel Coders Arcade. In today's video, I am going to explain about how to draw a heart shape using turtle in a Python programming. Before start the video, I would request you people to please like, share and subscribe to our channel and click a bell icon so that you receive a notification about latest videos, and also do not miss out our future videos. Thank you. And let us move on to our explanation part. First, I am explaining in a board, and after that I will show you how to execute that program. Turtle. What is Turtle? Turtle is a pre-installed Python library that enables users to create pictures and shapes using a virtual canvas. On-screen paint that users use to draw pictures, that is called as Turtle. And in today's video, I am going to explain about heart shape using a turtle. First, we have to import turtle module. Import turtle module. After that, I am creating the object name T. You take whatever you want. Turtle. Don't confuse that. This is a library and this is a class. So after that, again I am creating another object, turtle dot screen size. I have to set the size. This is 50 and this is 50. I take it as height also 50 and width also 50, and after that I take it as color black, because I take it as heart is in red color, so that I take it as a background color is black, so it looks good. 50 and black color. And now I have to draw heart shape. So in heart, 4 parts. This is one part, and this is another part, this is another part, and this is the last part. So first we have to create we have to choose a color for heart. So that T dot color, I choose red because heart is in red color, so that I choose a red color. After that, we have to fill this area, so that T dot begin fill method. This method fills this area with the red color. After that, T dot left, I take 140. First, turtle direction is here, so that I have to change the turtle direction this to this, because I have to draw this type, so that for example, X, this is X axis and this is Y axis. So we have to draw heart this shape. So here the angle is there. I take it as a 140. So angle is 140. Now we have to draw this line. So I take it as T dot forward 200. There's a 180. Now it looks in this forward 180. After that, we have to draw this part. So this is a semicircle. Using T dot circle method, we have to draw this semicircle. So minus 90 and 200. I'm taking the radius as a minus 90 because if we take positive 90, it is in a anti-clockwise direction. We have to go in a clockwise direction. So that I take it as a minus 90. Now turtle is here. After that, we have to change the turtle direction because now turtle is in the downward direction. We have to change this to this. This to this direction. So that we T dot left 120. Now turtle direction is change this to this direction. Again, now the half of the heart is completed. Again, we have to draw semicircle. So that we call T dot circle minus 90 and 200. This is also clockwise direction, so that I take it as a minus 90. Now completed this much, and again last part, this one. So I take it as T dot forward 180. So T dot forward 180. This also 180, this also 180, and circle is minus 90 and 200, and this also minus 90 and 200, because this size is same, so that we take minus 90 and 200, and the heart is completed. So this is a very simple program. After that, turtle dot done. Now the explanation part is over and the heart is completed. Now we have go to execution part. Okay, now I will show how to execute the turtle program. First we have to create a Python file. I give it as a heart. Enter. I already explained in the board. Now I will show the execution part only. First we have to import turtle module. After that I am creating an object turtle dot turtle. After that again I am creating another object to set a screen size. Turtle dot screen size, I take it as height as 50 and color black. After that set color I already told that background color is black and heart color is red, so that now I take color red for heart. To fill the heart with the red color, I take a T dot begin fill method. After that we have changed the turtle direction. So angle left and it is 140 degree. After that we move to forward. So T dot forward is 180 degree, and after that T dot circle for draw the curve. So we take a circle and this circle minus 90 the 200. After that the dot again we have changed the total direction. So I am taking 120 degree. After that again curve. It's minus 90 and I take 200. Again complete to complete the heart. Again we move to forward at 180. T dot forward 180, and now the heart is completed. And now T dot and fill. To that turtle done. Yeah. Now I run the program. It's executing. Yeah, it's coming. So see it, and it's very simple. Yeah guys, I hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. This is Akshata from Coders Arcade. Thank you and happy learning.